A local church targeted by thieves.
And tonight, the congregation is offering up forgiveness to get their air conditioners back. Channel 4 Action News reporter Jennifer Mealy with more from Fayette County.
Police suspect someone overturned this flower pot and then used it to prop themselves up so they could reach the air conditioning units that were running inside the windows of the Liberty Baptist Church.
We're probably looking at somewhere around $1,100.
Pastor Ewing Marietta is really sweating this burglary. When his congregation fills these seats of the Fayette County Church Sunday, the temperatures will be sweltering, and he's not sure insurance will cover the cost to replace 3 different units taken from the windows last weekend. So it could be a while until the North Union Township Church has the money to replace them.
As folks come in, they want to be able to sit down and enjoy the service and be comfortable while they do it. When the temperature gets up near 100 degrees and folks are sweating, it makes it for an uncomfortable service.
Thieves tried to get this giant unit out of the wall but couldn't because it's bolted in, so they hurriedly grabbed the others.
There was 2 more air conditioners. They even left behind a couple of the knob controls for the units.
Well, you can't use them without the
No.
knob controls.
Well, they might, maybe a pair of pliers might work.
Now it's up to 2 smaller units to cool the entire congregation with the help of blinds to block the sun. Of course, many of those are ruined from the break-in. Despite the damage and the thefts, he's offering forgiveness.
If they're willing to come in, we're definitely willing to talk with them.
Yeah, and they'd literally be in the hot seat if they came in here.
At this particular time, yes, they would.
The church put flags like this into the ground in the shape of a cross, and it covered this entire hillside. The church tells me they suspect the same people who took the air conditioning units took many of those flags as well. In North Union Township, Fayette County, I'm Jennifer Mealy, Channel 4 Action News.